guys, okay, welcome back to the channel guys, welcome back to another episode of Car DIY. For today's episode guys, we'll be changing out the rubber seal. Okay, as you know, okay, the windshield, there is a rubber seal that actually connects it to the part, okay, where the wipers are attached to. Okay, so that rubber over the years will actually deteriorate, okay, it will become very unsightly, I would say. Okay, and after a while, right, okay, it will actually break off. So in our case, okay, it has actually broken off, okay, and there are many places with holes and all this, okay, that will trap the dirt. So for today's episode, okay guys, okay, for those of you who are new or first time here, please like and subscribe, okay, because we have a lot of videos like this coming up. Right, so for today's episode, okay, we'll be changing out the rubber. Okay, we actually bought this online. Links to the items will be in the description down below. Okay, and let me tell you this is cheap, it's next to nothing. Alright, and we'll be taking out this part and putting in the new rubber seal. Alright, so without further ado, we're going to show you how it's done. Alright, so let's go! Alright, so guys, okay, that's the end of the whole video. Okay, the whole tearing now, okay, actually took me longer than I expected. Okay, because there are a lot of things that I mean, I did some research, okay, don't get me wrong, I did some research, okay, but the thing is, it varies from different model to different model, okay, it's not the same for every car, every model, okay, every BMW, okay, so it's slightly different, okay, so I took a while longer, okay, so some things for you guys to take note of, okay, when you're removing it, okay, please be careful, go step by step, okay, and there are some pins, okay, that you need to turn, you know, 45 degrees or 90 degrees, yeah. For that one, okay, you have to take note, okay, because if not, you'll be forcing out the whole thing, okay, and you'll be peeling it off, right? And the other part, okay, which is the on the side, right? Okay, the rubber is supposed to go underneath the one which is on the side. Okay, you have to go underneath it, okay, because if you don't go underneath it, okay, it'll be slightly open. Yeah, I hope you guys see what I mean. Okay, the windshield, okay, the rubber, you'll be slightly open, okay, and you know, rainwater and all this will get in, okay, and that is not what you want, because after a while, okay, you'll be dirty again and all this, and your nightmare starts again. Alright, so I hope you guys have enjoyed this one. Okay, links to the items are in the description down below, and like what I said, okay, it is very cheap, okay. I mean, even in Singapore dollars, right, I think it's like $3, $4. Yeah, so in USD, okay, for those of you around the world, USD, it might be $1 to $2, okay, and a quick fix. Alright, so guys, I hope you guys have enjoyed this one. If you like this, please remember to smash the like button, remember to subscribe, and we'll have a lot more videos like this coming up, okay. And guys, okay, the comments are quite low, okay, please comment more, okay. YouTube, the algorithm, okay, will actually help to push our video up, okay. Appreciate your help. Alright, so guys, enjoy this one, stay safe, stay healthy, happy modding your car, bye.